Hi guys, so it's time for another Meebox unboxing, and August theme is pool party. We have some nail wraps, a neon glitter, a stamping plate, a dual-ended tool, got a sponge on one end and stamp on another. We have Is polish, got a second Is polish, an A England, a Barry M, and of course there is your swatch sticks. So let's take a look first of all at the nail art related items. So there's NCLA nail wraps, and of course they are a water theme. In here there is neon hexagon glitter mix, and as you can see there is a variety of sizes in there. This is from Charlie's Nail Art. This is a dual-ended tool, so you have the makeup sponge on one end to do your sponging effect, and on this side you've got a small stamper so that you can pick up tiny images to apply to your nail. And the last art item of course has to be the pool party theme as well. The stamping plate is Summer BPX24 from the Born Pretty store. Now moving into polish, this time we have 4. 2 are from Is London. This first one is a metallic green. This is called Eternally Emerald. Lots of silver glitter being picked up in that as well. Then we've got this soft lilac, and this is called Forget Me Not. The Barry M is a baby pink, and this one is called Dragon Fruit. And the last polish is a beautiful holographic blue from A England. This is Puck a Fairy. So this is part of the fairy collection that they did, so I also have Peas Blossom, and this one is obviously Puck from the collection. So as usual I will do my live swatch video for these, so stay tuned for that. There was a lot included in this month's box. As you can see, a lot of items, just try to fit them on the screen there. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.